What's up guys, my name is Lena and welcome to the Seek Show YouTube channel. Today I am going to motivate you. I will show you to make money online. I will motivate you to make money online. I will show you my latest cash out from Fiverr.com. Here I will cash out or I will withdraw $133 from my online Fiverr account directly to my bank account. So watch till the end to get motivated, and if you need to see more, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell button to get the latest notifications. Okay, right, let's move to the today's video. Okay, right. I think you may have heard about this Fiverr.com. It's an online marketplace where you can sell your services and of course you can sell your services using your skills, knowledge and abilities. I will make a separate video to show you how to do that, and for today I'm going to show you the possibility of earning money from this site. I will show you the uh, I will show you the proof materials, right? So here I have earned $133. You can see my feedback, the feedback left by buyers. I have earned all-time 5-star rating, and these are the goals that I have maintained up to now. So I'm going to cash out my earnings today. Before I withdraw, I must tell you that if you click the link in the description section, which I have provided you to create this Fiverr account, we both get up to $100. So use that link in the description section to create a Fiverr account and start your sellings and buy services. Okay, right. Then that's what I want to tell you. Let's withdraw this uh, $133 here available for withdraw. $133 here. Last time I cash out around $50. If you want to see that video too, click the card shown in the top right left corner. For now I'm going to simply click the bank transfer. Only $133 available for withdraw. So I'm going to cash out these three. If I want, I can withdraw my earnings to PayPal account or Fiverr revenue card or bank transfer. Here I will cash out my $130 directly to bank account. I'm going to click this one. Simply click this one, right? Okay, the message is coming almost done. Please check your email for further instructions on how to complete your transfer request. So I'm going to go to my email. Okay, right. This is the first email that they have sent to me by confirming the payment. You can see the payment ID and the amount of the money, amount of dollars that they are processing for the cash out, and there is a payment description. In the payment description, you should see your username in the Fiverr account. This is the amount of dollars, and this is your username, right? Payment ID. This is the first email that you must receive from the Fiverr. And this is the second email. Especially in the second email, you should see the last four digits of your bank account, right? So here I have cashed out $133, and there is a transfer fee around $3. According to the conversion rate, you can see around 20,000 Sri Lankan rupees, right? So within 24 hours, you should receive these two emails. Sometimes it may take more than 2 days for the processing, but most of the time within few minutes and within few hours, you should receive this email after you clicking the bank transfer option. So okay, that's what I wanted to show. That's I wanted to show you. So you can see the reviews as a seller. I'm selling my services. You also can do this. You can do different kind of services through Fiverr. So try this out. Be motivated by watching this video. Definitely you can earn from this fiverr.com and cash out the money you have earned directly to your bank account. Okay, right. Okay, that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you motivated. Please, if you like this video, hit a like for me and share this video with your friends. Comment if you have anything to ask, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for latest notifications from my YouTube channel. Okay, that's all. I will be back with another video for you soon. Till then, take care and goodbye.